passing by other teepee that was taken down. Many of you might remember. This is across the river there. Oh, focus. There we go. And so there's a living tree there. Now it's all green. Before it didn't have all the greenery. And there was a structure in a teepee shape built around it with a base of rocks. And some of you new to the channel might not remember that, but it was deconstructed. You can see some of the remnants still left there. So I'm passing by today, and next to that you can see a structure in a teepee shaped form. Wow, my focus is really bad. Being built right there. So I could already feel there's something new about to happen there. Wind is blowing, and we will keep an eye on that as well, because I could almost guarantee you within a few days we will have a new structure there. So, and I know some of you might think, oh, go put up trail cams, and I think that's probably one of the worst things you can do, especially in the beginning. You know, once you start making more contact with them and more activity starts to happen, then maybe you can start bringing out those types of things if they allow it. Just my opinion. Over and out.